Today I am reviewing the Sony BRAVIA Theater System 6. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking to bring the immersive magic of movie theaters right into your living room, then the Sony BRAVIA Theater System 6 might be your perfect match. Designed with true cinema-grade sound in mind, this 5.1-channel home theater system offers exceptional performance, smart features, and user-friendly functionality, all packed into a sleek and modern design. Let's break it down. At the core of the BRAVIA Theater System 6 is a full 5.1-channel surround sound setup. You get 3 front-firing speakers, 2 rear speakers, and a dedicated subwoofer. This arrangement provides a truly immersive experience, enveloping you in sound, whether you're watching a fast-paced action movie or enjoying a concert in your living room. Dialogue is crisp, environmental effects are detailed, and bass hits with satisfying depth, thanks to the powerful subwoofer that comes included. One standout feature of this system is its support for Dolby Atmos and DTS, two of the most advanced audio formats available today. These formats create a 3-dimensional sound field, making audio move around you with pinpoint accuracy. It's not just sound in front or behind you, it's above, beside, and swirling through the room. Explosions feel more lifelike. Raindrops sound like they're falling from your ceiling. The result? A theater-like audio experience without ever having to leave your house. Sony also took care to enhance the clarity of speech with a dedicated center channel speaker. This means dialogue cuts through the action, ensuring you never miss a line, whether you're watching an intense drama or a comedy with rapid-fire jokes. And if you pair this system with a compatible Sony BRAVIA TV, you'll unlock even more features. With Voice Zoom 3, for example, dialogue becomes even clearer and more pronounced, automatically adjusting levels based on what's happening on screen. Another feature worth noting is multi-stereo mode. This mode plays the same sound across all speakers simultaneously, which is perfect for parties or casual listening sessions. It fills the room with consistent audio, giving everyone in the space the same quality sound experience. When it comes to design, the BRAVIA Theater System 6 blends seamlessly into any modern living space. You can mount the soundbar on the wall or place it on a tabletop, and the satellite speakers are compact enough to fit comfortably without cluttering your room. Setup is quick and straightforward, and all the necessary hardware is included in the box. For those who love streaming music, this system includes Bluetooth connectivity, letting you wirelessly stream your favorite playlists directly from your smartphone or tablet. Whether it's Spotify, YouTube Music, or Apple Music, your sound system will handle it with rich, upmixed clarity. And thanks to Sony's music enhancement technology, compressed music tracks regain lost details for a much fuller, richer soundstage. Control is made even easier with the BRAVIA Connect app, allowing you to adjust volume, switch sound profiles, and fine-tune settings right from your phone. Whether you're switching between movie night and a gaming session or just adjusting the bass for a late-night jam, control is always in your hands. And finally, the customer feedback speaks volumes. With a strong 4.4 out of 5-star rating from verified buyers, this system is widely praised for its audio performance, ease of setup, and premium build quality. So who is this for? The Sony BRAVIA Theater System 6 is ideal for anyone who values great sound, whether you're a movie buff, music enthusiast, or just want to level up your TV audio. It's powerful enough for large rooms, smart enough for tech-savvy users, and simple enough for beginners. If you're ready to transform your home into a cinema-like environment without paying theater prices, this Sony BRAVIA system is worth every penny.